Project cycle. It is a process of planning, organizing, coordinating and controlling a project effectively and efficiently throughout. A project cycle includes the various phases from planning, execution, completion, and review to achieve predefined objective or to satisfy the project stakeholders by producing right deliverables at the right time within the right defined cost and quality. Stages of project cycle: identification stage, preparation stage, appraisal stage, project selection, implementation and monitoring, evaluation. Identification stage. It involves understanding of existing problem and the actions required. The link between the cause and problem and action required are found. Gaining the knowledge about the situation is very important. Example: a city with high pollution. The action required is encouraging the public transport and to reduce the pollution from industries. Preparation stage. Once identification is done, the project is found to be relevant, then we initiate the preparation stage. During this stage, the following points has to be kept in mind. Effectiveness of project, or is the objective achievable? Ease of implementation and the time needed. Next stage is appraisal stage. This involves market appraisal, technical appraisal, financial appraisal, socio-economic appraisal, ecological appraisal. Market appraisal. Potential market and sources of return of investment is identified. Technical appraisal. The available technology for carrying out the project is found. Financial appraisal. Sources of investment and profitability of the project is studied. Socio-economic appraisal. Social cost benefits are being studied in the socio-economic appraisal. Ecological appraisal. Impact of the project on the surrounding, such as the quality of air, water, and impact of the project on vegetation are understood in this stage. Project selection. In this stage, we determine whether a project has to be selected or discarded. This is done based on the following criteria: expected life of project, impact on environment, return from the project, and investment required for the project. Next stage is implementation and monitoring stage. If the project qualifies for implementation, it will undergo implementation in a three-phase process: implementation, development, operation. In this same stage, the criteria for monitoring the project is also developed. Time, cost, and performance are usually used as the parameters for monitoring a project. The final stage is evaluation stage. This is the final stage in a project cycle. It involves finding the answers to the following questions: has the project been successful in attaining the objectives? If not, what respect it has failed? How the design and implementation might have been improved so that the project could have been carried out in a much more successful manner. Here we identify elements of strength, weakness, and mistakes to avoid it in the future projects.